In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Constant Contact. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, organizing your contacts is crucial for effective communication and outreach. Let's dive into this simple yet powerful process of creating lists in Constant Contact. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Constant Contact. Once you've found the official site, go ahead and click on the link to navigate to Constant Contact's homepage. Now, for those of you who already have an account, the next step is to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you already have your login credentials ready. So go ahead and click on the login button and enter your details to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Now look to the navigation menu where you'll see an option labeled Contacts. This section is where all the magic happens, so click on Contacts to proceed. Once you're in the Contacts area, focus your attention on a tab marked Lists. By clicking on Lists, you'll be able to view any existing lists you've previously created. But today, we're here to create a new one. Look for the Create List button and give it a click. This action brings up a new window or a section where you'll be required to provide a name for your new list. Here, naming your list is an important step because it helps you organize and categorize your contacts effectively. Think about how you plan to use this list and what kind of contacts it will contain. For example, if you're targeting new subscribers or segmented by a specific interest or event, reflect that in your list name. Once you've decided on an appropriate descriptive name, type it into the provided field. With your list name entered, the final touch is to save your work. You'll usually find a Save button prominently displayed in this interface. By clicking Save, your new list will be created and added to your collection of lists in Constant Contact. You can now populate this list with contacts, which is a topic for another day. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new list in Constant Contact. Remember, segmenting your contacts into specific lists allows you to tailor your messaging and improve engagement with your audience. This straightforward process can help you maintain a well-organized contact database, leading to more effective and strategic communication efforts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy organizing, and see you next time.